The night is here. The stars above shine bright and clear. The moon smiles down with soft sweet glow. As nighttime whispers, time to go. Count the stars up in the sky. One by one they're drifting by. Twinkle, twinkle, soft and bright. Counting stars till dreams take flight. Up we float, so far away. The stars are dancing, they love to play. Little ones, they sparkle and gleam, guiding you to a dreamland stream. Count the stars up in the sky. One by one they're drifting by. Twinkle, twinkle, soft and bright. Counting stars till dreams take flight. Now you're drifting, calm and still. The stars are watching, they always will. Close your eyes and feel the night. The stars will guard you till daylight. Each little star is a wish so true, a gentle promise just for you. As you dream, the stars will sing a lullaby that soft winds bring. Count the stars, then rest your head. The stars will dance beside your bed. Good night, sweet dreams the stars will keep, as you drift into peaceful sleep.